Hello, Julie here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me. Today I am showing you a flip through of my latest digital kit. It's quite large. I've called this kit Vintage Florals. I've created the kit to be used in the Out with a Bang Last Days of Summer collaboration that Mandy from Junk Journal Fix with Sunflowers Indoors Facebook group and I are organising for the month of August. So every day during the month of August there will be videos and different collaborators, so lots of interesting people to see, lots of great creators. So yes, I hope you can join us. I'll put a link in the description box to everything that I'm talking about, so you've got all of the information you need. There will be a playlist so that all of the videos that are created for this event will be in that collaboration, in that playlist. But yes, all right. I will also put a link to the kit in the description box if you're interested in purchasing that. And the kit will have a discount for this month only. Once this month is over, it will go back to full price. All right, so let's have a look. So to start with, I have got background pages. I've got 9 background pages, so I'm just going to flip through them. Probably, there's not much to say about them, so I'll just flip through them and chat while I'm flipping. I have printed mine on 120 GSM digital printer paper. J Burrows is the brand, and I have printed them borderless. So that is available to anybody that has the facilities to print borderless. Now bear in mind that lots of different inks, different papers, different printers, they all come out slightly different. So this is how it's printed on my printer. I have an Epson Eco Tank. I think it's something like 3800 or something like that. So this is how mine have printed out. Here we've got a collage page. Okay, now I have some journal pages. I've got 23 journal pages, and as you can see why I've called it Vintage Florals, because they're all like the old-fashioned, well, vintage florals in them. So I've got the floral, the light floral and the lace in the background there. Some pansies, got some sequins in the background there, got some hidden, some light text in the background. So the backgrounds are very detailed. This one we've just got an all over pattern. I've got an assortment of colours, so this paper collection will go with any colour scheme. Yeah, so I'm really excited about the Out with a Bang Last Days of Summer collaboration. It's going to be very interesting and very inspirational to see all of those wonderful creators that we've got lined up. We can always learn something new, can't we? Doesn't matter how long we've been doing this lovely craft. There's always something new to learn. So I've used the background papers on most of these and then added the florals on top. Some of them are more detailed than others. Some of them I've taken some of the elements out of the background to make the pattern, the florals, stand out a bit more. Here's a collage page with some of the florals in it. In the background we've got a plain collage page or master masterboard, I mean, not collage, masterboard page. And here we have one with some of the florals on it. I love that one. It's beautiful. I reckon I just love those flowers. These ones that have got like the same image on both sides, when you fold them, you know, to make a journal page, they just look lovely. Here's another masterboard one with just the roses on it in varying sizes. So that's all the pages. So we've got 9 background pages and 23 journal pages. Plenty there for you to work with. Plenty there for you to make all sorts of embellishments from. But I have also made some pages of embellishments using those papers. And there's 26 pages of embellishments. So this comes as one kit. It's not broken up into bits and pieces. It comes, if you buy the kit, you get the lot. So here we have, throughout there's all sorts of sizes of all sorts of things. So here we have like a folder that you can fold over, maybe put a little, some blank pages inside to make a little booklet. You could just cover the inside or double-sided print it and use it as a folded journaling card. Pockets, you can see here where the fold lines are, or yeah, the scoring lines. A small envelope and some labels. This page has got an assortment of things on it, so you know I'm not going to try and explain every page. You can see what's on there. This page hasn't got. This page is similar to this page, except it hasn't got the florals on it, so you can decorate these as you wish. Here we have another folder, a couple of labels, coin envelope, a couple more labels, envelopes. If you watch my videos at all, you'll know I'm quite partial to envelopes. There's another one, a smaller one. Some tags there, some pockets, so some file folder pockets, a freestanding file folder, so it's got the pattern on the back when you fold it up, a tag, a large pocket, that would be from there to there, so that's how wide that pocket would be, so that would fit nicely onto your A5 size page. Some large tags, some just pockets, freestanding pockets, so fold them over like that, stick them down, and you've got a pocket there that you can pop into another pocket, or you can attach it to a page. So you could fold it like that, attach it to your page, and you could have a pocket on this side and a pocket on that side. All sorts of ideas. A couple more page pockets, a large envelope and some tabs. This, I have printed this on 220 GSM paper, so it's, you know, it's a good weight to make a pocket or a journaling card or whatever you're making, a coin envelope. Nice sturdy paper. Envelopes, large, 2 smalls. Pocket, coin envelope, plain pocket that you can embellish however you wish, and a plain envelope that you can embellish to your heart's content. This tag is the same tag but in 2 different sizes. Another pocket there, foldable pocket. A couple of large labels or small journaling cards. I tend to back these with some coffee dyed paper around the corners and put them into small pockets or tuck spots as a little journaling spot. Got a couple of fussy cuts here, a couple of labels. A whole page of labels here, varying sizes and shapes. A page of frames. So you cut those out, put your acetate or whatever you wanted there. A page of tickets, so we've got 3 different size tickets. We've got some with florals, some with plain. We've got 1, 2, 3 sizes. but handy for making little clusters and things like that. Here we have some smaller frames, so florals and plain. Here we have some, you know, what do you call them? Slide frames. Here is a page of an assortment of tags and journaling cards. Here's the same thing in the smaller size, so I've got I have resized them and put 2 on a page, so you don't have to do that yourself. I've got plain ones there and floral ones there. And these are right, so you score from here to here, down and there and there, and then you fold it over, and these tuck in and you glue it, and so you end up with a pocket like that. Yeah, I'll make one of those up and put it in the next video when I do my next video using this kit. Alright, so that's it for this kit. As I said, we've got lots and lots of pages. We've got 58 pages there, and including embellishments and journal pages. So don't forget, check out the collaboration. Lots and lots of inspiration to be had there. This kit will be in my Ko-fi shop and my Etsy shop, so if you want to pop over there, it will have a discount for August only. Once August is over, it will be back to normal price. Alright, well that's it for now. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you'll join me throughout the collaboration. Okay, bye.